So if you're feeling down and you're feeling a bit fluey or something like that, a good old wholesome soup really works. Chicken soup's famous for that, isn't it? Flu buster type soups. This one we've done with lamb. I've got some kind of scrag end of lamb. We've got some beautiful ingredients in there. Look, anything goes with this. Any vegetables, any beans, whatever. I've got tons of stuff in there. We're gonna boil it out. It's really, really tasty. Does it work? I think you should take your medicine as well. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get started with these ingredients. There's more ingredients to follow, but we need to start with our meat. So what I've got there is lamb. Now I've got some sort of what we call a scrag end. It's not the best, bits of meat there. There is meat there. There's a lot of bone, bit of fat. There I've got 1 kg. That's about 2.2 pounds. Next to that, I've got 1 cup of celery, 1 cup of onions, 2 teaspoons of dried thyme, and 2 teaspoons of garlic. Let's get that started. It takes quite a while, this one, and then I'll show you the rest of the ingredients. So we're going to need a large pan with a lid. So I've got this pot here. In there I've got some olive oil. First we're going to drop in, well, it's all going to go in really. So the celery goes in, 1 cup. The thyme. The garlic. The onion, and I'm using thyme, but you could use rosemary, get some bay leaves in here. You could try some cinnamon stick in it, a little bit of nutmeg. So many ways you can go with it. I'm just going with thyme. And then here goes the meat. Like I say, not a wonderful cut. I mean, it's nice lamb, but it's lots of bone, bits of meat in there. But you wouldn't want to waste something beautiful in this, quite frankly. Okay, nice big pinch of black pepper, or 2. Same with salt. As you can hear, we're on quite a high heat. We're going to throw this around for about 5 or 6 minutes, get a little bit of colour on it. So of course, absolutely nowhere near cooked. Just got a little bit of colour on there. What we're going to do now is I'm going to grab some water and I'm going to pour that in. Now I'm using water. If you wanted, you could use some stock. I don't think it's necessary, but that's up to you. Okay, high heat. So we're going to get the lid on now and we're going to cook this for maybe 30 minutes. If you've got a pressure cooker, you could use that. That will reduce your time down quite a lot. Anyway, I'll see you in about half an hour. Okay, steaming away. Let me get some steam away from the camera, I hope. So that's been going like 30 minutes. Really beautiful. Right, we're going to add ingredients now. Now you can add anything you want. So this is what I'm going to go with. 1 cup of green beans. 1 cup of carrots that I've cut quite small. 1 cup of cooked butter beans, but think about some other thing. Like you can get some lentils in there, some red kidney beans, or like I say, anything goes and any amounts go at the moment. I'm now going to go with 1/2 cup of vermicelli or small noodled pasta. Again, you could put any pasta in there. Get some spaghetti in there, some penne, fusilli, up to you. 1/2 cup of rice. 1 can of tomatoes. This was a whole plum tomato. Just roughly chop that with my hand, Well, I didn't really chop it. No, that would make a big mess, wouldn't it? I just squeezed it, you know what I mean? And then here I've got some lovely big cut potatoes, like sort of probably 3 cups worth of potatoes there, cut nice and chunky. Now, stock or water again, top it right up. Give that a mix. So any veg goes in, any pulses go in, any grains can go in. It's up to you. This is beautiful. Okay, we're going to get the heat on medium now, and we're going to go for, look at that, I'm really happy with this. Then we're going to go for another half an hour. Now, Half an hour is going to be way too much to cook the potatoes and stuff like that, but I want everything really soft. If the potatoes break down, they're going to thicken up in there, and it's just going to be wonderful. So lid back on, medium heat, 30 minutes. You've done it. All right, so off goes the heat, off comes the lid. Bit of steam out of there, and that's a beauty. Check that for salt. You might want to add a bit of salt and pepper, but for me, I'm super happy. See those potatoes nice and soft. That meat's super tender. That's very wholesome, isn't it? Now, if you want some chopped parsley in there, some chopped coriander, like I said earlier, you can put anything in this you like. Really, really good. I'll be giving this to my boy. He's got a bit of flu. He's got himself a cold, so we've dosed him up with some meds, and we're going to give him a big bowl of this beautiful meat vegetable soup, because somehow as a parent we think it works. I don't think it does, actually. Anyway, let me get that in a bowl. All right, and there you go. So that's a big bowl of absolute goodness. Anything goes. Throw what you like in, boil it away. It's delicious. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really, really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.